Hi students, welcome back to @Valli Math channel. In this video, I am going to explain how to prove the irrational numbers. How to prove the sum of two irrational numbers is an irrational number. We already studied what is an irrational number. Numbers which cannot be written in the form of P by Q are said to be irrational numbers. Examples root 2, root 3, root 5, pi, these are all irrational numbers. Now, first of all, we have to prove root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. This is very important problem in the real numbers in 10th class portion. First of all, we have to assume their sum is a rational number. Root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Here, assumption, we have to assume contradiction method, this is called. First of all, we have to assume root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Rational number means which can be written in the form of P by Q. Rational number means which can be written in the form of P by Q. Here we are assuming they are rational numbers. Their sum is rational number. Let us assume that let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Rational number. We know that rational number definition. Rational number means which can be written in the form of P by Q. So this will be equal to P by Q. P by Q. Root 3 plus root 5 is equals to P by Q. Now, here to remove these roots, we have to squaring on both sides. We have to do square on both sides. So, squaring on both sides. We are assuming this is a rational number. That's why we equated with P by Q. We know that P by Q means P and Q are integers, where Q and is not equals to 0. By doing squaring on both sides, this root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equals to P by Q whole square. Okay, we are doing squaring on both sides. Now this is looking like an identity a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square identity, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2 into root 3 into root 5, which is equals to p square by q square. Now the square and root gets cancelled. Here also square and root gets cancelled. Now the leftover is 3 plus here also 5 plus under root. Here we can multiply these two like this, 3 into 5, which is equals to p square by q square. Now 3 plus 5 is 8 and here 2 into under root, 3 5s are 15, which is equals to p square by q square. Here now the next continuation is we have to write, see here, this 8 transpose to right side, 8 transpose to right side, then 2 root 15 is equals to p square by q square minus 8. Here 8 is a whole number, this is p by q. So here no number is there, means 1 is there. We have to do LCM for the denominators. 1 and q square LCM is q square. Q square divides q square one time, 1 into p square minus 1 divides q square, q square times. So 8 into q square. This you have to multiply with 8. So here if you observe 2 root 15 is equals to p square minus 8q square by 2q square it is. Transpose this 2 to this side. Here it is multiplying. If you transpose, it will do division. So it will go to the denominator. So p square minus 8q square by 2q square. Here it's not there. 2 we transposed. So here 2 not there. Here it is there in the denominator. Now you observe here, if you observe the left side we are having root 15, whereas the right side we are having p square minus q square by p square minus 8q square by 2q square. Instead of p and q, you substitute any integer. Then it will be a rational number. But root 15 is an irrational number. Here right side rational number. Left side irrational number. So how they are equal? They are not equal, but in middle equal to symbol is there. So this is wrong. Why this is wrong? Because we assumed root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. So it is not a rational number means irrational number. So this is contradiction. Contradiction means what? What we are assuming is wrong. What is the correct thing? It is an irrational number. Hence proved. So here you observe p square minus 8q square by 2q square is a rational number. Once again I am telling. Left hand side root 15 is an irrational number. Here what we are telling, both are equal. How they are equal? They are not equal. It's wrong. So this is contradiction. Why it has arisen? Due to our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? This we took it as rational number. Hence it is an irrational number. So this is the proof of root 3 plus root 5. This is very important in state board. In section 3 out of 6 marks compulsory this method they will give. But the same numbers we will not get maybe. So but the procedure is same for everything. Here they may change the numbers. Instead of root 3 plus root 5, they may give root 3 minus root 5, root 2 plus root 7. They may give anything. But the procedure is same. First we have to assume. After this we have to conclude it also. So here what we have to write is, whatever I said here, p square minus 8q square by 2q square is a rational number. A rational number. Rational number. But root 15 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. Irrational number. This is contradiction. Contradiction. Why it has arisen? Due to our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? Our assumption is root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number is wrong. What is correct then? It is an irrational number. Hence proved.